You've got a lot of content to create, you've got a lot of things to organize in your business, and it can add up when you add all of those apps, all of the services you need. And I'm going to share with you my 5 free tools that I use that really help my business grow, and you're going to love them. I want you to stay around till the end because it is one of my secret weapons, one that I use all the time, and I just found it like less than a year ago, and I use it really every week to help with my clients, to help with my team, and also just to help in my business. My name is Michelle Gifford. I'm a brand and content strategist, and I help you build your brand online so you can build the business you feel called to create. And I would love for you to follow along. I am dropping 2 or 3 videos every week to help you build your business and brand online. All right, let's get to it. Whenever I am creating content, one of the first things I need are graphics. Whether that's an Instagram post or something for my email list or a blog post or Pinterest, we need graphics and we need them to look good. I need something that's easily shared, easily downloadable. And the very best place to go is Canva. Canva is a free design website. It also is an app. I use it all the time on my phone where you can easily design a lot of different projects in one place. I even use it for this video. That YouTube thumbnail that you saw that made you click, well, that was made in Canva. And Canva has so many different templates that you can use to get started. And guess what? I actually have some templates. If you are looking for Pinterest templates or blog templates or YouTube graphic templates that look different than everyone, I have a link below where you can get my templates for your business. So check those out below. They work with Canva. You just click the link and it brings them up in Canva for you to edit. I love Canva so much because it is so customizable. I did upgrade to the Pro plan because it had some features that I really love. I love being able to upload my design colors. I put my brand colors in Canva and they are part of my design as well as my font. So I never have to go looking for them. They're always there and they're the things that come up when I go to design. It makes creating your content so much faster and so much more beautiful because they've done a lot of the design work. Number 2 is Calendly. Now, when I first started podcasting years and years ago, do you know how long it took me to get someone scheduled for my podcast? I would go back and forth trying to figure out the best time for them. That was wasting hours and hours of my time. But with Calendly, what I can do is I can set my hours, decide when I'm available for my podcast or available to do a coaching call or whatever. I can set those hours and then I just send a link to someone and they can click and sign up for the time that works best for them. This is amazing. This is completely amazing and has saved me hours and hours. The other great thing is you can connect it to Zoom or whatever you use, but I connect it to Zoom so it automatically sets up a call with me. So they click the calendar link, they schedule the time, then Zoom creates a Zoom meeting, and then it sends us an email that says, hey, this is when your Zoom meeting is. It's amazing. It's all automated and it's super easy, and you can start using Calendly for free. Number 3 is Google Drive. Google Drive is pretty basic. Maybe you're using Gmail, maybe you're not, but we use it across my whole team and my whole business. I actually set up a G Suite account, which is paying to have your email as your domain. It's michelle@michellegiffordcreative.com instead of having like an @Gmail. That's one way that you can uplevel your brand, is simply get your own email with your business name attached. But with G Suite, we're able to share documents easily with our clients or with our team members, and it keeps it all in a couple folders and you can search it and you can also organize it really quickly. I have my numbers there. When I'm keeping track of my growth numbers, I have everything there, so it makes it very easy to share with my team, and it also keeps it in a really secure place. Number 4 is Tailwind. Now, I use Tailwind to schedule out all of my Pinterest images and graphics. Now, I have the Pro plan. I actually recommend it. It's not that expensive, but you can get started for free. You can use my link below. But with Tailwind, you are able to just take a couple hours a month and you can schedule out your content on Pinterest so that you can have that working behind the scenes while you're creating other content and running your business. It works really well with Pinterest and it can save you a ton of time. All right, number 5 is my secret weapon, the one I just found recently and the one I'm loving. It is called Loom. Loom allows you to record your screen and to also just record from your computer and then share it with just one click a link. It's amazing. It also transcribes your video, and when someone watches it, they can watch it in double time so that they can get through it quickly. In my agency, we create a lot of brands, right? And so We can send over a quick Loom video describing what we're creating and where we're at. And it really is a great piece for our clients because then I can talk to them and they can see my screen and they can know what I'm talking about. So I love Loom, and I also recently just started recording some of my podcasts on Loom because it makes it so easy for me to share with my podcast editor. And it's all right there. If you ever have to do screen recordings, that's a great place for you to start, is Loom as well. So make sure you check out Loom. I upgraded it because I'm creating so many videos. So I did upgrade to the different plan, but it's worth it and I have loved it. All right, so I've shared with you my 5 different tools. Will you put your favorite one below? And if you have any questions, there are links to the tools below as well. And I'm just so grateful that you're here, and we will see you next time.